Good morning. Guys, one of the most important things we can learn in this journey, in this life, is ukuthatha accountability and to own our part kuyo yonke into that happens in our lives, the good and the bad. It's all good and well and easy to take the shine, the glory, masingconywa masenze kahle. But the minute things don't go right, or in things that did not go right, we fail to look at ourselves and to look at ourselves from a point of what was my part in it? How could I have acted differently? How could I have reacted differently? How could I have made a better decision, a better judgment? And be fair and honest. It's not to excuse about anything. It's not to excuse the part of the other person or of nature or the universe of whatever, but it is to say, in doing that, also what was my role and what was my part in it, and what were the lessons that I needed to learn from this, or because it helps, it cultivates strength. It happens for a reason. It is all part and parcel of a journey yokukhula. Sikhula kanjalo ngokuthi ukwazi ukuthi I was wrong there. Sikhula ngokuthi ukwazi ukuthi I could have made a better decision. I could have judged that differently. I could have, moved differently. I could have taken a different direction. I could have responded in a better manner, in a different manner. I could have been calmer. I could have kept quiet. I could have restrained myself. So izinto always mazenzeka. It's never one-sided, and it's not always somebody else. It's not always them. Sometimes we also have to look at us. So very important for our elevation and for our growth. It's one of those shadows. It's one of those very, very difficult and painful things, challenging things in healing journey that you will come across. Taking accountability. Abantu bahlale be-wrong and mina ngihlale ngi-right all the time. Kunzima ukukhuzwa, kunzima ukuboniswa nokufundiswa, but it is very necessary, because you have to go back, sit and reflect and say, yes, I deserve that reprimand, and be able to take it kahle, to take it kahle, and to move on graciously as well, without holding grudges, without being a victim all the time, without blaming other people all the time. Sifunde to take constructive criticism, and even if it comes in a co-constructive, look at the parts that are true, that resonate, and fix what you need to fix. And sometimes mhlawumbe is from a person that you don't really like, but it is the truth nonetheless. So how do we fare in that? Uthatha kanjani, especially if the lesson comes umuntu that you don't like. Does that now invalidate everything that you are meant to learn about yourself for your own growth? Guys, let us learn to take accountability. It's always a two-way street.